Frustum regular pyramid. We have several Frustum regular pyramid formulas. Example, bottom base area. How to find the top base area. Slant height. Slant face area. The total lateral surface area. Volume and the total surface area. And the edge length. So we'll take up examples. Example, a base of the flagpole of the school campus is in the form of a frustum of a regular hexagonal pyramid with a base length of 6 meters. The top length 4 meters. If the altitude is 8 meters, find the following. So you have to find the bottom base area, the top base area, slant height, one face side area, the lateral surface area, volume, and the total surface area, and of course the edge length. So this was a hexagon. So this one is, you have 6 meters. This one is 6 meters. And also this one you have 6 meters. The top base length is 4 meters, so that one is 4. This one is 4 meters. This one, the height here is 8 meters. So the bottom base area, you have this one, is equals to in a square over 4 tangent 180 over in, or equals to 6 times 6 square over 4 tangent 180. Your in is equals to 6, or equals to 6 times 36 over 4 of 0.5773, equivalent to 93.53. So one is meters. The top base area is equivalent to in b square over 4 tangent 180 over n, equivalent to 6 times 4 square over 4 tangent 30, equivalent to 41.57 meters squared. Slant height equivalent to square root of 1/4 cotangent square pi over 6 times 6 minus 4 square plus its square equivalent to square root of 1/4 0.523 square 2 square plus 64. So it's equivalent to 8.017 meters. The slant face area equals to E plus B over 2 times is equals to 6 plus 4 all over 2 times 8.017 equals to 40.09 meters squared equals to B plus square root of BB times, of course, this one is all over 3 equals to 93.53 plus 41.57 plus square root of 93.53 times 41.57, of course, times your S is 8 over 3. So an equivalent to 526.54 cubic meters. The total lateral surface area equals to N times is A equals to 6 times 40.09 equivalent to 240.54 meters squared. The edge length equals to square root of 4 is squared plus A minus B squared over 4 equivalent to square root of 4 times 8.017 square plus 6 minus 4 square over 4 equivalent to square root of 65.27 equals to 8.08 meters.